I'm going to show you how to change the belt on the Stihl TS400 saw. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do product reviews, do-it-yourself videos, vacation videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So my Stihl TS400 saw stopped working because the belt snapped when I was using it. So I'm just gonna lay this on the table. Let's get started. I'll show you how to change the belt. It's really easy to do. Okay, so we have the saw on the table, and of course we got our tool. So the first thing we're going to do is we want to remove the belt cover. This is the pulled cord and the belt cover. So you're just going to go ahead and remove these screws. There's 3 of them here. Okay, once you have that removed, this is just going to slide out like so. And we can see the old belt is completely shredded. So we're gonna take that out. I'm gonna leave a link down below for you to get one of these belts, or if you need one of these tools. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the tensioner off. And you can just do that by putting the tool over it, just like this, and you're gonna go counterclockwise. And you're going to see that click into place, just like that. Now what we need to do is remove these 3 bolts, and that's holding the actual saw, the blade onto the saw. So go ahead and loosen those and take it right off. Just make sure you hold the blade because it's going to fall off after. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and install the new belt. So I'm just going to feed that through. I'm going to get that around the drive. Okay, and it's gonna look something like that. Then I'm going to put the saw blade on. Okay. Like that. And now you're gonna line it up because you gotta put the bolts back through. So you're gonna put the housing piece back on. First, what you wanna do is just line up the screws with the holes and just get them through and get the thread started. Hand tighten them where the saw blade is on. And then I'm going to tighten them a little bit more with the tool. Don't tighten it all the way because you still have to turn the tensioner back on. So just start tightening the screws, but not all the way. Now with the belt and blade back on, you're gonna wanna turn the tensioner back on. Just make sure that this isn't tightened all the way, and you're just gonna go clockwise and it's gonna apply pressure to the belt. Just like that, and it pops out. With the tensioner on, now it's okay to fully tighten the 3 bolts for your saw blade. And finally, you want to put the pull cord belt cover back on. So just slide that through. Right back into place. And go ahead and put your screws in and tighten them. The last thing to do is just to start up the saw to make sure that everything is working correctly. I'm going to leave a link down below for you to get one of these belts, or if you need one of these tools. So that's it. That's how you change a belt on the Stihl TS400 saw. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys.